It's not just about supporting your kids. It's not just about co-regulating the stress for your children. And it's not just about building your children's skills. It's about building our skills. It's about, do we feel supported? So how many of you feel supported in your relationships? We have Kathy saying, what if the other person doesn't want to do the repair work? So that would indicate that, no, I don't feel supported in this relationship, possibly, right? So that's an obstacle. Now, what do we do if that other person doesn't want to do that repair work? There are so many factors at play. There's so many variables that really influence that. But what we can do to try to bridge that gap, we can't necessarily repair until that person is ready. But we can show someone that this is what we want, that we want this collaborative approach. And really what we do is by identifying the points that we do agree on, identifying the goals we do have that are united. And if there's still friction, if there's still, I disagree with the way that you're doing this, that's probably a longer family discussion, a family therapy discussion. That's not something that can just be easily resolved. But when you come from that conscious communication point of view, it says, I hear that you're worried that our children are XYZ, going to run the house, going to disobey, going to do, whatever that other person is afraid of, helping them to feel like you understand them and that you're not just trying to change them is the core work of what we do, not only with our kids, but with other people in our relationships.